can't do it. Can't see it. Crap. Ah, open up. Visor. Open up. Where are you? Oh. I can't do it. Buongiorno, my friends. Buongiorno. This is Naked Bike Mike, back with you once again for this stuff.
As I often do, I'll give you the weather report. It is in the upper 40s right now.
It is a chilly still. Even with the sun on me, I feel cold. I got thermal stuff on, I got a partial leather jacket on, I got not enough, I guess, because it is slightly uncomfortable. Chill. So far so good. The GoPro is staying on the helmet. I don't know if I'm yelling. I got the eargasm ear plugged in. I got the exhaust is loud in my ears. A lot of wind noise. All the stuff's going on, and it's just it's a sensory overload. The sensory overload, man. I don't know what to do here. It's cold. It's cold and it's loud and it's bright and it's loud and it's bright. Everything's loud, man. My brain's about to explode with all this stuff going on. Doesn't know how to process it. I gotta get a new processor. It's gotta be faster. I gotta get an i9. What it is? Is that what it is? i7, i9, Intel. I don't know. All those fast processing stuff going on. Process it all. It's not working. Ooh, chilly. I'm gonna go down into the fog here, I think. It has not burned off yet. You can see it fogging up. There's not a fog bank out there. Hey, there's a fog bank out there. On the other side, those trees over there to the left is Willamette, I believe. So it's fogged up, man. It's fogged up, man. What are we going to talk about? The K6 helmet. The AGV K6 helmet is, in my opinion, it is like the more comfortable version of the Corsa or, you know, the Pista. It's not as a race fit tight. The cushions are a little bit more cushiony. I mean, I think the field of vision is the same or close to the same. It's not the same visor, but it's close to the same, I think, vision field that you can see. And I got a fog on my visor right in front of my eyeballs, so I can get some air in here. I don't know if I got my vents open or closed. Turn my head to the side. I don't know, but I think the level of sound is maybe a little bit quieter than the Pistas at a Corsa. I can't remember. It's been so long since I wore one of those. Eventually I will get me another one when I find a graphic that tickles my fancy. I gotta say it right, man. It tickles my fancy. There's some apples on the ground. what happens? Well, I gotta open my shield, man. I can't see nothing. I can't do it. The GoPro's in the way. My setup's all flawed. Alright, I gotta pull over because my visor is all, it cannot overcome this humidity. Pinlock failure. Because I cannot see. I'm getting a white out. Okay, before I run off the road here with my fogged up, jacked up visor, I would have to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, click the like, click the dislike, whatever you want to do, make a comment, and we'll see you. I can't see, you'll see me, but I can't see you because I'm, whoa, blind. I don't know what's going on, man. Next time, arrivederci, ciao, and goodbye, my friends. Pray for me. Where's the road? Where's the road? Oh, dude, I can't do it.